Hey guys, hope you're fine. So today I'm making a smoked fish stew. It's a very simple recipe with common ingredients that you can find in any market close to you or in a store. So for the fresh ingredients, I'm going to use fish. That's our main ingredient for this recipe. That is smoked fish. And then I'm going to use red onions, spring onions, garlic, red and green bell peppers, carrots, and baby eggplants, and not forgetting tomatoes. So you're going to just fry in the order that I've fried in. That is, heat your pan. I've used vegetable oil, and then fry your red onions. I've used one large red onion because onions make the stew taste very good. Then after the onions, I added spring onions, both the white and the green, and then garlic. Then add your capsicum, that is the green and red capsicum. Then I just added my carrots and baby eggplants. The baby eggplants take a very short time to cook. Then just add your tomatoes to the pan and then fry until your vegetables become soft, and then add in your dry ingredients. That is salt. I used 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. That's mixed curry powder, that's 1/2 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon, and then just mix everything together. I've listed all the dry and fresh ingredients that I've used in this recipe. Just check down below in the description box, and in case you've liked this video, don't forget to click the like button. Add some dark soy sauce to the vegetables and just fry them until they're soft. And I'm adding 3 curry leaves. You can get them in a market. Then add the fish to the pan. Now this smoked fish, when you buy it, it is already cooked because they smoke it until it is finely cooked. You can actually just eat it the way it is, but if you want to make a stew with it, you can try out this recipe. Yes, so I'm just going to let it simmer on low heat for a short time because the vegetables are already cooked, they're already soft. So I'm just going to let it cook for a short time so that we have the aroma of the fish and the taste of the fish in our stew. So this is it. It's ready for eating. It's tasty. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.